Learn about volcanoes. Mommy, there's so many pictures of volcanoes in this book. They look amazing but scary too. What are they made of?
That's true. Volcanoes are amazing and scary too. I will teach you all about volcanoes, but for that, you have to follow me. A volcano is an opening or vent in the crust of Earth from which molten rocks, hot gases, and other materials erupt or come out on the surface of the Earth. Let's learn more about it. Zoom in. This is our planet Earth. The structure of the Earth is divided into four major parts: the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. Let's learn about them. Crust, mantle, outer core, inner core. Crust is the outer layer of Earth's surface and is the thinnest of all. Mantle is the second layer of Earth's surface and consists of silicate rocks and other minerals. It is the thickest layer of the Earth. Outer core is the third layer. It is a liquid layer that mainly consists of hot liquid nickel and iron and is extremely hot. Inner core is the fourth layer. It is a dense ball of mostly iron and nickel but in solid form. Deep down the Earth's surface, it's extremely hot. The inner core is as hot as the sun. Yes, and because it's so hot, some rocks melt and become thick flowing substance called magma. As it gets hotter and hotter, pressure builds up deep in the magma reservoir of the volcano. And due to this, the magma is pushed upward, that is, towards the surface of the earth, through volcanic vents or openings. This causes volcanic eruptions. The magma that reaches the earth is called lava. So, baby Sia, now that you know how a volcano erupts, can you spot a cookware in the kitchen which is working just like a volcano? I'll help you. So, in this kitchen, the cookware that is working similar as a volcano is the pressure cooker. How? I'll explain. Here also, the pressure is building up in the cooker, just like in the case of volcanoes, and the pressure is being released through the whistle. Interesting fact, isn't it? Let's do a fun activity. Make a model of volcano using clay. Take help from your parents. To make lava, you will need baking soda, liquid soap, red food color, and some vinegar. Let's start. Put soda, liquid soap, and food color inside the volcano. Mix it and then add vinegar. And the volcano is ready.